For men with testosterone deficiency, life can feel like walking uphill every day, all the time. It makes it difficult just to keep moving forward with your life, much less maintain your current pace. Testosterone therapy is magnificent because it can put you back in the driver's seat of your own life, not only restoring sexual livelihood, but giving you back the strength and energy to make the most of your life. First, we should note that testosterone should not be used by men with healthy testosterone levels. There are many that turn to testosterone to try to elevate their masculinity to superhuman levels, but there are significant risks associated with the abuse of testosterone. Testosterone, when administered therapeutically for low T, can lead to life-changing benefits, but there is just too much risk associated with testosterone abuse to ever recommend it to a healthy man. For those beginning a testosterone therapy regimen for the first time, it's important to realize that testosterone is not a magic potion. The amazing results you've read about don't come in a day or even a week. Low T therapy with bioidentical testosterone provides a slow, steady stream of benefits which produces dramatic changes over the course of 4 to 6 months. Testosterone therapy is proven to improve bone mineral density, increase strength, and enhance cellular metabolism, all of which will provide you with serious and tangible benefits. But you have to be patient. It's true that larger doses are associated with quicker physiological change, but they are also associated with an increased risk of complications and side effects. When used as directed by a medical professional, testosterone therapy for andropause is very safe. Most health issues related to testosterone injections are the result of misuse. Think of testosterone therapy like you would a diet. By doing things incrementally, the right way, you set yourself up for success and reduce the risk of complications and failure. Low T has a powerful impact on wellness, stemming from its effects on sexual, physical, and psychological vitality. Testosterone deficiency is associated with suppressed metabolism, leading to issues with energy level, muscle mass, and body fat accumulation, along with diminished bone mineral density. Testosterone also has a distinct impact on psychological wellness, promoting confidence, assertiveness, and overall mental wellness. Testosterone deficiency is also associated with lack of focus and poor sleep quality. On the sexual side of things, testosterone is the key to sexual satisfaction and function. Without testosterone, libido would be non-existent. Erectile function is also facilitated by testosterone, which stimulates erection by triggering the release of nitric oxide. A patient with clinically diagnosed testosterone deficiency would experience a combination of these low T symptoms. Every patient is different and uniquely experiences symptoms, but the worse the deficiency, the more noticeable and life-altering the symptoms will be. During the first week of testosterone injections, the changes will likely be modest, but very noticeable. In just a matter of 3 or 4 days, you should experience improved energy levels and sleep quality. Because low T hinders sleep quality, it's very likely that you will wake up earlier and more refreshed, because you get more sleep in less time. In the second week, you should start to experience sexual benefits from your low T treatment. If you haven't experienced it in a while, you'll likely be surprised by morning wood, a sure sign that you both needed testosterone and that it's doing its job. This is also the point at which you should be able to start taking advantage of your increasing libido, which will continue to grow over the course of the coming months. In the third week, cognitive benefits begin to become apparent. It will become easier both to speak well and remember more clearly. This is associated with an improved sense of self-worth and confidence, because you realize that your mind is more capable of handling the joys and stresses of everyday life. One month of testosterone is associated with a stark contrast in energy level compared to day one. The exhaustion and fatigue that you once felt should be fading fast. During this period, you should directly experience general improvements in all of the areas that have already been discussed. Often, patients claim that 3 months is when feelings of confidence and assertiveness really hit their stride. After 90 days, this is when you should begin to experience the benefits with regard to strength and exercise capacity. This isn't to say that you shouldn't be working out and eating well from day one, but this is really where testosterone therapy is going to enhance your strength and endurance. You'll also find that you need less downtime between workouts. If you've been following the diet and fitness regimen suggested by your hormone doctor, this is where the new you should really start to shine. Before this point, you may have been able to attribute some of the benefits to just adapting to a new lifestyle. But now it should be obvious that testosterone is really facilitating your wellness in a way that would be impossible through sheer willpower alone. Over the course of months 5 through 6, you should keep feeling better and better. It's usually around 6 months that the effects of testosterone plateau, allowing you to work on maintaining and refining yourself and your appearance. It is at this point where testosterone has returned to you what low T has taken away. And you might want to send your hormone clinic a thank you note. After 6 months of treatment, you'll meet with your hormone doctor again to evaluate your progress. Because of the nature of testosterone therapy and to preserve the optimal results of your treatment, you may begin to occasionally undergo testosterone cycling, meaning that you'll temporarily halt therapy for short periods of time to maintain and support your body's natural hormonal rhythms. This will have minimal effect on your HRT benefits, but will prevent your body from becoming overly accustomed to treatment and diminishing the results. If you found this video informative, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. To learn more about health and wellness regarding testosterone replacement therapy, please click the link below in the description.